Hi there, I got a new mold. I don't know how much resin it takes. It's sort of like a diamond faceted mold. Um, so I wanted to do it, and there's a pretty good spot for the bottom of it where I'm going to try to do a bloom. So I was trying to decide what color I want my bowl because I want to do it all at the same time. And I thought, well, let's go ahead, let the resin warm up, um, and then use just this Galactic Ghost Green to color down there, then some clear resin on top to make my layer for the bloom. Hopefully enough that I've just filled the bottom with the Galactic Ghost, and it may pull up towards the center some, but not too much into the center. So let's get going. So I did do 10 ounces of resin. I know I probably don't need it, but I'm not sure. So that's what we're doing. I used craft resin. It's a 1-to-1 lower viscosity resin. It's the craft resin brand resin. So that's what we're starting with. I am going to put a good bit in this cup because it's going to be my Galactic Ghost Green. And this cup is just my white. So I don't need a ton. It's a very small area. I don't need a lot of white. All right. I am at, let's see, I'll tell you my temperature. 36 degrees Celsius, 97 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a little bit warmer than I would normally do, especially in my room when it's warmer. First cup, Galactic Ghost Green. All right, you don't need a ton of it, just a little bit will do. It is very powdery. Fly away. Make sure you have your mask on. Give it a good mix up. I'm not going to pour it yet. I'm going to let it warm just a little bit more. The more you have in a cup, the faster it warms up. So it'll still warm up at a pretty good clip. And that's what it looks like. All right, for this cup, I am using 8 drops of CastinCraft. Four. I do want it to be a brighter white than I normally would use because I want to add some oh, it's escaping me. What's it called? Not chameleon. What's the other word? Oh, I don't know. You know it. You know what I'm talking about. Interference. That's it. You know, as you get older. All right, let's see. Let's do one more drop. I'm feeling a little not as secure about that, so I'm going to do one more drop just to make myself feel better. The reason I add more when I'm adding powder to it is because the powder kind of reduces the viscosity in my mind. All right, it still pretty much looks the same. Now I'm going to grab the Ghost Green and a little spoon. And just a tad of this. Dump it right in. Gotta make sure I get them sealed back up. We're getting into humid season here. If you get most moisture into your powders, it ruins them. The other thing I worry about with letting the resin warm up this much is I don't want it to ruin my bloom because it can stop blooming because the resin is too warm. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. All right, so let's get this in here first. Let me just take the stick out. because it will be easier. Because I just want to get it around here. Also give me an idea of whether it's going to take a lot of resin or not by how much it fills up. I'm guessing I had about 4 ounces in this cup. All right, I think I actually have more resin than I need. That's okay. I poured it up on the side a little bit. I want to get rid of that. Again, I'm trying to not have as much glittery stuff come up into the center. Make sure I dry it up so I don't get any spots. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour the rest of the resin in. I'll have enough left over for another project, I think. I'm going to go slowly at this to see where we are. It's kind of hard with the lights. Let me take a peek this way. Okay. I think that is enough. I don't want to pour too much or my bloom will drop. Hopefully I didn't. All right. I'm going to put it in my piping bag. I pulled out this Sublime alcohol pearls, and I plan to do like 3 drops just in the center here, just to give it even more shimmer. I don't want too much. I don't want it to overwhelm. I don't want it to be super green. So while that's getting some of the alcohol out of there, I'm gonna take my piping bag and get it ready. All right, how does it look? Does it look like our alcohol is pretty set? If it's not set and there's still a lot of alcohol there, then my bloom may move. I don't want that to happen. I am just going to do a traditional because I want to do the lines all the way out to the side, or the circles all the way out to the side, or spiral. Just making sure got that all out there. All right, now we're going to do our lines. I'm going to do, as you guys know, I love squiggle lines. So I'm going to do squiggle lines. This last one, I'm going to go all the way in and swirl real fast to get our center. Do a couple more squiggle lines, but not all the way in. I already did my center. I don't want to ruin it. Then I think I'm going to do some little, just light, not pulling all the way through so that it's a point, just so it's a little one. All right, so that's it. I'm not doing anything on the bottom, no bits or anything. I just want the shimmer to come through. That's all we're doing. We'll be back when it's time to unmold it. I don't think I'm doing anything on the bottom because I really want to rely on the clear look. We'll be back. All right, we're back. I think this might be perfect. It's the perfect bloom weight that we won't be able to see through it, and it should look awesome with the sides. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see how this mold worked out. See if we like it. Ooh, bent it a little bit. Still a little soft. Let me just put the mold down so we can take a good look at it. Oh, I think that's pretty. Look at that. Covers the bottom completely. And then we have our sides. And you see we got the most of the glitter up at the top, then a little bit of a clear area. And that goes right over to the bloom. What a cute little bowl. You could also do it with colors up here. Just make sure you let the resin warm up. Put the color in first, just a bit. Ooh, you know what would look good too is like a crackle edge. So you put like a warm, clear base first, then mica powder, and then do the bloom. Awesome, I love it. Thanks for watching.